ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः सांख्ययोगः। गुरून् हत्वा हि महानुभावान् श्रेयो भोक्तुं भैक्ष्यमपीह लोके। हत्वार्थकामांस्तु गुरूनिहैव भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिरप्रदिग्धान्। न चैतद्विद्मः कतरन्नो गरीयो यद्वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयुः। यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः तेव स्थिताः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः। कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः। यच्छ्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे। शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नम्। कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः। यच्छ्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे। शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नम्। Karpanya dosha, the flaw of cowardice. Upahata, besieged. Swabhavaha, nature. Pritchami, I am asking. Tvam, to you. Dharma, duty. Sammudha, confused. Chetaha, in mind. Yat, what? Shreyah, best. Syat, maybe. Nishchitam, decisively. Bruhi, tell. Tat, that. May, to me. Shishyah, disciple. Te, your. Aham, I. Shadhi, please instruct. Mam, may. Tvam, unto you. Prapannam, surrendered. Filled with confusion and grief, Arjuna seeks divine help to guide him on the right path. Earlier, Arjuna considered Krishna to be his friend and relative. Now, he acknowledges him as his Guru. Surrendering to the Guru and using the intellect to discriminate between right and wrong is the first step to spiritual realization. My mind is confused about what my duty and my natural disposition should be. It is besieged by the flaw of cowardice. I have surrendered to you as your disciple. Please instruct me and tell me with certainty what is best for me. न हि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्याद् यच्छोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम् अवाप्य भूमावसपत्नमृद्धम् राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यम् न हि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्याद् यच्छोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम् अवाप्य भूमावसपत्नमृद्धम् राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यम् न, do not, he, certainly, prapashyami, I see, mama, my, apanudyat, can drive away, yat, that which, shokam, sorrow, uchoshanam, is drying up, indriyanam, of the senses, avapya, achieving, bhumau, on the earth, asapatnam, unrivaled, riddham, flourishing, rajyam, kingdom, suranam, like the celestial gods, pramukhe, in the front, cha, also, adhipatyam, sovereignty. Although Arjuna had applied his worldly knowledge and logic to explain why he should not fight the battle, they did not solve his problems. Finally, he realizes that surrendering at the feet of a spiritual master like Krishna is the only way to free himself from his state of grief and cowardliness. I can see no means of driving away this sorrow that is drying up my senses. Even if I were to achieve an unrivaled, flourishing kingdom on the earth, or sovereignty like that of the celestial gods, I will be unable to dispel this anguish. कार्पण्यदोषोपहतस्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः यच्छ्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नम्। कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः। यच्छ्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे। शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नम्। न हि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्याद् यच्छोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम्। अवाप्य भूमावसपत्नमृद्धम् राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यम्। न हि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्याद् यच्छोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम्। अवाप्य भूमावसपत्नमृद्धम् राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यम्।